What if ancient Japanese snow spirits called Yuki-onna started hunting in modern cities during winter storms? These supernatural predators would exploit every urban weakness we have. Picture this. During a massive blizzard, they target people stranded in cars during whiteouts. But that's just the beginning. They'd hunt through subway tunnels when power grids fail, using building ventilation systems to spread killing frost. The terrifying part? They appear as beautiful women, luring victims from warm shelters into deadly cold. Emergency services would find bodies frozen solid in seemingly safe locations with no explanation. Smart home heating systems would mysteriously fail just before victims are found. Security cameras would capture impossible footage of people walking willingly into sub-zero death. The chaos would be unprecedented as authorities struggle to explain the unexplainable. Modern urban isolation would give these spirits endless hunting grounds. People disconnected from traditional protective folklore would be completely defenseless. Our cities would become perfect traps.